Hey girls! If you're 15 and dreaming of starting your own small business without any money or fancy setup, this video is for you. Let's talk about handmade business ideas you can start with just creativity and basic things at home. Let's go. 1. Handmade bracelets. Use leftover beads or thread to create aesthetic friendship bracelets or custom name pieces. Package them cute and sell to friends or online. Package them with a tiny card or in a small DIY pouch to make it feel more special. They're lightweight, affordable, and perfect to gift, sell to friends, or promote on your Instagram story. You don't need any investment, just patience, creativity, and a little sparkle. 2. Hair scrunchies. Use old clothes, fabric scraps, or even pillowcases to sew adorable scrunchies by hand. You don't need a sewing machine, just a needle, thread, and a little patience. Package them with tags or ribbons to make them feel special. They're easy to sell at school, online, or to your friends. 3. Cute bookmarks. Make pretty bookmarks using paper, dried flowers, washi tape, or magazine cutouts. Add aesthetic touches like quotes, ribbons, or glitter to make each one feel unique. They're super easy to make and perfect for journaling or reading girls. Bundle them in sets and sell as cute, low-cost gifts. 4. DIY lip gloss. Make your own lip gloss using simple ingredients like coconut oil, Vaseline, and a hint of eyeshadow or tint. Store it in mini containers or empty balm jars. You can even decorate the lids. Offer fun flavors like vanilla, rose, or mint for extra charm. It's fun, beginner-friendly, and feels like making magic in a tiny pot. 5. Phone charms. Use beads, pearls, or old jewelry pieces to create trendy phone charms by hand. Customize them with names, hearts, or pastel color themes for that soft girl vibe. They're super popular, low cost, and make every phone feel cuter. Perfect to sell online or as gifts for friends. 6. Mini gift boxes. Curate tiny gift boxes with your handmade items like a scrunchie, bracelet, or bookmark. Add a little note, some tissue paper, and a bow to make it feel extra special. You can create themes like self-love, study day, or birthday surprise. They're thoughtful, easy to make, and perfect for gifting or selling. 7. Aesthetic stickers. Draw or design cute stickers using apps or by hand, then print or DIY them with tape and paper. Create themes like cozy mornings, girl boss, or soft pastel moods. They're fun to make, super trendy, and perfect for journaling or laptops. 8. Handmade keychains. Use beads, name letters, or soft charms to create adorable keychains by hand. Customize them with initials, smileys, or tiny hearts for an aesthetic touch. They're easy to sell and perfect for bags, keys, or gifting. 9. DIY tote bag painting. Take a plain tote bag and paint cute designs like flowers, quotes, or smiley faces. Use fabric paints or markers, no fancy tools needed. They're reusable, artsy, and totally match the soft aesthetic. 10. Jar candles. Melt old candles or wax pieces and pour them into small jars you already have at home. Add scents like vanilla or rose and decorate with labels or dried flowers. They single quotes, recalming, giftable, and give total cozy vibes. 11. Simple wall collage prints. Create aesthetic mini posters with quotes, mood boards, or pastel visuals using free apps. Print them at home or offer them as digital downloads. Perfect for room makeovers, journaling walls, or study corners. Thanks for watching, besties. Remember, you don't need a big budget to start, just creativity and heart. Now go make something beautiful and share your magic with the world.